Nice walk. Where are we at, Lisa?
Greenville, South Carolina.
And we're just having a dog show?
Would you
How
say?
the dog's going? We had first day today.
First day did great. Looking forward to a win every day. Go home with the ribbons.
And who's your guide on this trip? Who's the guide?
Who's the guide?
The guide.
I don't get it.
Who's the
Oh,
guide?
Justin. Here, put Justin on.
He's getting real nervous. So, Justin, you're the guide of this thing here, right?
Yeah.
This young lady next to you over here, this is an acquaintance, casual, meaningful, or what's the deal, son?
Meaningful.
Meaningful. Do you have any other adjective to describe?
That's about it. Meaningful.
Meaningful. That's it, huh? Well, you better introduce yourself to the family here. Say hello and tell us who you are. Look at the camera now.
Family.
Come on. Because this is the part that everybody's going to look at how you're not looking at the camera. So you're going to look pretty soon. Also, hello there. Look how pretty this girl is.
This guy wants in, though.
Oh, all right. This guy wants in, huh?
He's a player.
Doesn't look like anybody
I'm
else.
leaving him with you.
All right, Brittany. Brittany, where do you live?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
And how long have you known Justin?
Almost a year.
Almost a year. I think you're doing very well. Okay, we'll come back to you a little bit when you get over this, get a drink. Look good here. The sun is nice. Perfect lighting.